Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I really want to dive into something special, improving your skin from the inside out. We all focus on our daily creams and routines, but there's a secret ingredient we often miss: your gut health. This is where Prime Biome comes in. It's a natural supplement designed to help you completely refresh your skin. Imagine achieving a more flawless look, restoring that youthful elasticity, and actually seeing those wrinkles and dark spots fade away. This supplement isn't just about surface beauty, it's about restoring your inner glow. And here's the fascinating part: your gut and your skin are deeply connected. They are truly a team. If your digestive system is happy and running smoothly, your skin reflects that radiance. Get the gut regulated, and your skin will truly shine. Prime Biome is really something special, unlike anything else you've tried for supporting your gut-skin axis. Honestly, I believe this will become your go-to wellness ally. People are going to start asking what your secret is, what's keeping you looking so vibrant and youthful. For those of you who want to check it out right now, I've put a direct link to the official site below this video. I have a feeling you'll be eager to learn more. The most important thing to know is that Prime Biome is packed with the highest quality ingredients specifically chosen to regulate your gut. We're talking about components that can help prevent that uncomfortable bloating, ensure your digestive system flows smoothly, and fully restore your essential microbiome. The formulation includes beneficial elements like prebiotics and probiotics, specifically Lactobacillus, alongside botanicals such as dandelion, Bobchi, essential vitamins, organic lion's mane, and Ceylon ginger. All of these are natural ingredients with no side effects and no GMOs. That is the real beauty of Prime Biome. You are nourishing your body with pure, quality ingredients. You're doing no harm, only getting compounds that are qualified and offer serious benefits for your total well-being. And there's an added bonus. You might be surprised to learn that Prime Biome can help you maintain your energy levels throughout the day. You know that afternoon slump where you feel tired and sluggish around 5 or 6 p.m.? This supplement helps you push past that, keeping you feeling vital, active, and proactive. Plus, here's a fun detail. Prime Biome comes in delicious gummy form. It's genuinely tasty, making it a treat to include in your daily routine, and it delivers fantastic results. I strongly encourage you to commit to the full treatment. They also stand by their product with a money-back guarantee, just in case you aren't completely satisfied, which I truly doubt you won't be. So go ahead and follow that link below to explore everything about Prime Biome.